Hi friends, welcome to a wonderful sheep and welcome to this unboxing of Jimin's Photo-Folio. Let's get into it. Here it is. It has the beautiful, ooh, look at that photo. It has the clear cover that says me, myself, and Jimin. But here's the inner cover and the back cover with the protective plastic. And let us flip through it. Try to get you as in frame as much as possible. Introspective Jimin in an abandoned like warehouse or home. Oh my gosh, look at this close-up. I'm getting fallen angel vibes here. Yep, the wings, fallen angel. Oh my gosh. So pretty, so beautiful. ID Chaos. Was there something in the front? Okay, so ID Chaos. Look at this one where he's lying down. Oh my goodness. A lot of really like unique angles. Like he's on the floor, he's standing. I see wings in the background of this second photo shoot. So it's like more like a modern angel. He's got sparkles under his eyes and some new tattoos. Ooh. His tattoo on his arm says free. I want like a version of a moon. This tattoo here says Tailor of Chaos. I'm getting modern angel, but also like flower fairy vibes. Oh, this is interesting. Okay, and here are some of the inclusions. Ooh, all of the inclusions. Here's a photo card. Hold on, let's see what's going on here. Okay, I love this. It's like a fold out, but also like a prop. You can stand up and it's double-sided. I love this. Oh my gosh, I love this. I love this a lot. I kind of want to make something like this. Okay. And then we have a sheet of stamps like the other members' photo folios. And here is one photo card. So pretty, so gorgeous. I like it a lot. I like the purple background. And then here's the poster. Ooh. This is the poster. It is like horizontal lengthwise. Again, really interesting angles that we're getting for Jimin. And the back just has Jimin and it's plain. There should be another photo card because we always get one random and one like included. So we'll keep flipping. Oh, here it is. Here is the third photo shoot. Jimin in classic like slacks and suspenders and a hat. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Okay, so here are the two photo cards. And here is the mini poster that makes up part of the larger poster. I love this photo. Love both the photos. Very big night and day difference. Oh my goodness. Wow. I haven't watched any unboxings, or I tried to stay away from spoilers, so I'm seeing these for the first time. Wow. the cracks filled in with silver. And then the fourth concept is reindeer deer. Sorry, I think I got cut off there a little bit, but reindeer deer concept. ID chaos. And with the leather. Wow. I'm also getting sort of like fallen, spirit fallen, like something otherworldly. And here's a preview of what's to come. So is this in Jin's photo book? Is that right? I just see Tae's lips right there. But wow, what a stunning photo book. We knew it would be good. I love all the different concepts Jimin chose to experiment with. And I think my favorite photo shoot concept was this one. I guess I'm just attracted to color. So I'm really glad that I got this photo card. And I love this photo fold inclusion. I really want to make something like this. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and well, and I will see you back here next time. Bye.